This is Sharon with Sheri-Funtastic Travels and Resorts Limited, and I'd love to share with you on a nice experience that I recently had at the Pineapple Court Hotel in Ocherius. You know, I remember as a child, about 10, 12 years old, my father, who lived in Canada, would come to Jamaica every so often. And the thing I remembered most were the road trips. Of course, back in the day, we didn't call it road trips. I have no idea what we called it, but it was a road trip. And he always packed a bag, or at least he told us to pack a bag, and we would head to the country. And of course, Pineapple Hotel was one of our home away from home locations during these trips. And I remember as a child, the entire family would take the unit on the upper floor. It was like a penthouse. And on occasion, particularly when the extended family traveled with us, we would have several rooms within the property. But I really remember that upper level penthouse. It was a beautiful experience. The pool was divine and it was just magical. So fast forward, and recently I was able to spend a night at the Pineapple Court Hotel, the same hotel that too many years ago, because no, you are not going to be guessing my age, I was able to spend some time. And it was really, really nice, and memories really came flooding back. Big spacious rooms, very good location, easily accessible from Ocherius. I was very, very happy. And just moving ahead of myself, one of the biggest surprises for myself and then for Desroy, who was with me, were the sizes of the pancakes. They were so big and fluffy and filling. But if I were to pick a thing to speak about of that hotel, it is right in the heart of the city, as it were, but just nicely tucked away, very private, very intimate, and it can be used for so many things. There are ample rooms, the food is good, the restaurant is available on site. I am looking at opportunities for small group meetings, little family getaways. Oh, the possibilities are there. There's a little kiddie slide as well. And as I think about it, my thought is many times we just want to get out. And although Jamaica is well known for all-inclusive resorts, sometimes you just want a chill spot, somewhere that it's reasonably priced, easily accessible, clean, comfortable. And I give the thumbs up for Pineapple Court Hotel. And of course, the management team, they're just so accommodating, so pleasant. You really, really need to add this opportunity to your next visit into Ocherius or even to Jamaica. I recall a lot of my family members, cousins, and so on from Toronto, when they get to Jamaica, they almost always seem to be staying at the Pineapple Court Hotel. And now I see why. It's a good base, good safe parking, absolutely wonderful if you have children, absolutely nothing to worry about. And they love it and they use it all the time. So why shouldn't you? So my suggestion, pack a bag, fill the car up, drive down to Pineapple Court Hotel. You'll be glad you did.